welcome back to my Girlypedia. In this video, I'm gonna try out a hair oil that I saw on Instagram. It's a very easy breezy hair oil to try it at home. So it needs only two ingredients. If you have watched my previous hair care videos, you know how much I love coconut oil. So coconut oil helps in overall, improvising the health of your hair as well as scalp. So it moisturizes and helps in making the hair soft and that frizzy hair. Bye bye. And aloe vera gel, on the other hand, it helps in strengthening your hair and helps in hair growth as well. So for this, I would suggest you to get fresh aloe vera gel out of aloe vera plant or leaf. So as I said, I have also seen it on Instagram, so this is something I'm also trying it out. So I'm gonna show how it is prepared, how to use it, and also I'll share my first impression of the hair oil. So this is the aloe vera juice or the gel that I have extracted from the aloe vera leaf. So this was my first experience. In fact, this is the first ever time I'm using this aloe vera, fresh aloe vera from the plant to my hair directly. I'm a bit worried because my mom is very allergic to aloe vera, because whenever she applies, she feels this itchiness and the redness. So fingers crossed. It was so slimy, I could not do it properly. There are still these leaf pieces over here, but I think it should be okay. So now let's prepare the hair oil. So I have taken this coconut oil in the pan and I'm heating it. So once it's hot, that is when we are going to mix the aloe vera gel with the oil. So it's quite hot, as you can see the steam as well. So now I'm gonna mix aloe vera gel to this oil. So please be very careful while mixing aloe vera gel with the oil, because it's ultimately it's watery content, and mixing the oil and water, you know how it is like. So please be careful. Just a small demo. Let it cool down a bit. So once it's warm enough, we can apply it. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, I washed my hair, and in case you're wondering how to use this towel, click the link above. I'll share my views in a minute. So it was not at all sticky or slimy as what I had assumed, and also touch wood, it did not irritate my scalp, and it was quite pleasant. And yeah, I've just washed my hair with normal or the regular shampoo that I use. So far so good. Yes, thumbs up. And I'm gonna try it out at least for a month now, because in order to see visible results of any of these home remedies, we have to usually use it for a month at least. So I'm gonna use it for sure. So yeah, this was a very quick new recipe that I tried today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.